Click Agents in the sidebar to open the agent list. Select the agent you want to edit, in this example, Demo Agent, to open its settings. Click Post Call to configure what happens after the call ends. Click Add Call Insight to generate a post-call insight from the transcript. Enter a description for this insight, for example, meeting. Open the Type drop-down to choose the insight type. Select Yes, No to track whether a meeting was scheduled, in this example. Enter a short prompt that tells the system how to determine this insight from the call transcript. Click Add Call Insight to save this insight. You can add multiple call insights. In this case, add one to generate a short call summary. Enter a description for this insight, for example, summary. Open the Type drop-down to choose the insight type. Select Text to generate a short written call summary. Enter a short prompt that tells the system what to include in the summary. Click Add Call Insight to save this insight. Click Add Message to set up post-call SMS or email follow-ups. Select Email as the message type. Enter a description for the email, in this example, meeting. Select an email provider from the drop-down. Select an email provider, in this example, Gmail. Enter the From email address. Enter the recipient email address, in this example, your own. Enter a subject line for the email notification. Enter the email message in the email body field. You can insert variables and call insights into the email body. In this example, add the summary insight. Click Add Condition to control when this email is sent. Select Call Insight to send this email based on an insight result. In this example, meeting occurs yes. Click Add Email to save this email follow-up. Select SMS to set up a post-call text message. Enter a description for the SMS, in this example, voicemail. Open the SMS provider drop-down to choose your messaging provider. Select an SMS provider, in this example, text request. Enter the From number for the SMS sender, in this example, the agent's number. Enter your SMS message in the text field. Click Add Condition to control when this SMS is sent. Select Call to set a condition based on call status. Click Add SMS to save this SMS follow-up. In this example, only when the call goes to voicemail. Click Save and Exit to save your changes and return to the agent list.